got a really cool project that just takes me all the way back to my childhood that you can share with your kiddos. So when I was a little girl, I was about 10 years old, I followed my dad everywhere. My dad's this huge jack of all trades, just completely capable man who just figures everything out. And as a little girl, it's just like he's still my hero as a big girl. Still my hero as a big girl. Well, my dad would let me work in his shop with him. We had this big old barn, and he had this container that had 6 different canisters, and each of them had nails in them, and they were in various states of like different sizes. Well, one of the canisters had all like the bent nails in it. My dad always has saved things and reuses and repurposes stuff. That's where my art comes from, is from that spirit of repurposing and reusing. Well, in order to hang out with my dad, one of the fun things I got to do is straighten out nails. And this is really like from 10 years old, I've been forming metal, never thought of it. I pulled a couple of nails out of the wall, getting ready for Bike Week and a open studio that I'm doing coming up soon, and remembered that I used to do this with my dad. And I thought, what a great video to share with you so that you can have a really cool project to do with your kiddos. Something that you can bring them into your shop and create memories and teach them some valuable lessons that maybe they'll take throughout their whole life in collecting hammers and forming metal. So get yourself some bent nails. I've got them all over my shop that when whoever was here before, there's nails everywhere. And so I've pulled them out of the wall if they're not, being used for stuff. And so I've got a bunch of them. So this is such a great project for young minds to work on. They're going to need earplugs, gloves, and safety glasses. And you're probably going to need safety glasses and earplugs also, because you never know. It's just, safety's no accident, right? And we want to teach them young to be safe. So the way to do this is get yourself some bent nails. And if you don't have any, you can actually just go and bend a few nails up so that you have bent nails for them to straighten. Because what my dad would do is if I ran out of nails to straighten, he would bend some for me. So you just want to take the nail and you're going to put it down on the bench. You hang the edge off of, and you take your hammer and get a few different sizes so that your kids can experiment with, a smaller hammer might not be strong enough, or it might be just right for their little hands. So I was 10 when I started doing this, but you could definitely take a 3 or 4-year-old, and they're gonna have complete and constant supervision if they're that young. At 10 years old, I could sit next to my dad and work without them, but please keep an eye on them. Safety's always the #1 thing. You take the nail and you lay it on a flat surface, and wherever the high side is, you put the high side up and just tap on that. So I'm going to show you a little closer so that you can see. All right, so right here, you put it on the bench, which my bench is curved over. You're going to need a good flat spot. But just to give the idea, you sit this on the bench where the high side, I'm going to hold it like this. I'm going to take my baby hammer. Tap that down, and you can see it's still got a little wobble over here, and so you just flip it over, put that high side up wherever it's got a high side, and get a straight nail again. This is such a simple technique, yet it is the foundation for everything that I've created in the last 11 years of being a full-time artist. You are learning the basics of metal manipulation by straightening out nails. Quite profound to have the thought that that's where it started for me. And I'm super grateful to my dad for taking that time and sharing it with me. I will tell you that the absolute satisfaction of being able to move and form that metal, even as a little girl, it just was, you get to hammer things, and there is a cathartic nature to that. And into being able to have little achievements, and you don't have to use these nails that are big. You can use a smaller nail for a little kid, and just that teaching them how to straighten that out. It's a lifetime of joy from straightening nails at 10 years old. I hope that you and your kiddos have the same experience. I hope this inspires you to create yourself and to create with your family. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you find joy in the arts, in creating art. So be excellent to yourself, be excellent to each other. Do something today to make it a masterpiece. Love you. See you soon.